Hi there everyone, welcome to the channel Guns and Game, and today I'm gonna show you how to save money reloading 4 boxes of target load with the Mac 9000G. How much does it cost you? How long does it take? Well, won't take too long, because we are fast. Today we're gonna talk about reloading. Alright? First thing, remember of getting the boxes too. So I generally choose the boxes you can fold on. So let's fold them up first. Helps you to save space, be organized with your loads, to keep them better on a safe or a safe spot. After I fold them, I can keep them on a box. So if I don't use them now, it will be easily stored for next use. So the first step's done. Now the second step, my favorite of them all. We will separate or choose the holes we're gonna use it. The ones that I want to reload today are the 1 ounce number 8. I'm focusing in using Challengers, so other brands will put it aside. If we'll have a big amount of them, in the future we can change our recipes. Yeah, we are doing our part, recycling, and I think it's a little boring, so let's speed up the process. Focus on the brand. You have a cheaper price on primers or on supplies. Okay guys, here we are. Separated all number 8s, 1 ounces, and now we're gonna reload them. Here I have my Mac 9000G. It's an excellent machine. If you're doing trap loads, I would strongly recommend you to buy one because they're fast. So first station, you're gonna deprime. Start loading with powder. I'll put a empty shell here, just for us to get those shots that will drop. I'll put another empty shell here on station number 1 for us to continue. Okay. Here we are. So before I do the upstroke, let me take that away. So here we have the shot. Keep that on the side. There we go to station number 3. So station number 3, we're gonna put a wad. This wad will be filled with shot. And then we'll move to station number 4. From now on, I'm just gonna keep on stroking. Always check if everything is working properly, that a primer is dropping. Hard to do this and talking, but let's see. Oh. Now we're gonna have the first hole. First shell coming out. First shell, it's very important for us to check the grip. Look at this grip. It's okay. Pretty tight, close. There is a little bit of a edge. The hole, it's not deformed here. So yeah. We'll continue. So in order to shoot more, I needed to save money on shells. And then I came across this machine here, which I bought it used from a gentleman that was retiring and didn't use it much. And I felt like buying one because I really wanted to become a better shooter. To be a better shooter, you need to be consistent with your ammunition, consistent with the speed, the number of the shot you're using, the amount of powder you use. Because of that, I chose to buy my Mac 9000. So yeah, this is a good time for me to relax. Another good advice for you guys, if you live in parts of the country that have snow, don't pick holes that are snow covered for a few days. They rust super easily. Here it is, 1 box of shells. I don't know how long it took, but I can let you know after. Before you get into this, although it's super fun, first question is, are you going to save any money doing it? Well, I think that depends on the place you are, but here in Canada, still worth it to reload by yourself. Okay? So how worth it is? You're gonna save around $2 per box you reload. So, like I said before, I shoot around 4 to 6 boxes every time I go to the club. So 4 to 6 boxes, 6 times 2, I'm saving $12 every time I go shoot, which is a lot. So consider this if you're planning to be a better shooter and you need to shoot more. Here it is. My 4 boxes are here organized. Luckily I choose the box with number 8, 1 ounce, so there is no confusion. They're tagged. My holes have all the description I need to when I'm grabbing one. So super easy. And I hope you guys liked it. Yes, you can save a lot of money doing this reloading, and that depends on the amount of shooting you're gonna do. If you're shooting a lot, you're gonna save you lots of money. If you're shooting just a little, it will take longer for you to get your money back after buying one of those progressive loaders. It will make you shoot more, that will make you be consistent on the ammo you're using. And also that will be a fun activity for you to fill up that spare time you have here and there. My opinion about the Mac 9000G, it's a super reliable machine. I do recommend it. Although like I said, I bought it used, so I recommend you, if you do find one used, buy a used one. You don't need a new one. You're gonna save you money. So if you're reloading target loads, they are worth it. They're not worth it if you're reloading for steel. This is the perfect machine for you to save some money on ammo. Please remember to check our other videos, comment, like it, and subscribe for more videos like that. And Here it is, 4 boxes in less than 50 minutes. Easy peasy. Hope you enjoy it. Take care.